Grind gang, what it do? It's your boy Roll 100, and I'm back with another video. Man, good morning to all the grind gang. Good morning to anybody who watching this video. Good afternoon, good evening. Hope you're having a blessed, a beautiful, a wonderful day. You feel me? Thank you for tuning in to your boy Roll 100. You already know. I hope y'all came to have some conversation, because that's what we here for. You feel me? This is where hustlers unite through the Roll 100 experience. Check it out. Instacart shift about to start in 1 minute. I'm learning a little something about Instacart. I'm just testing something out. I'm not actually in my zone, but what I noticed from Instacart is, if by the GPS, if they notice like you heading towards the zone, you really don't have to be in it to start your shift. Just a quick tip to save you some gas money. With Instacart, if you pick a zone that's outside of where you live, all you really have to be doing is heading in that direction when it's time for your shift to start. It might not work for everyone, but for me, the reason why I do it is because the zone that I prefer to work in is large. It's a lot of stores and a lot of possibilities of shops you could do in that zone. So with that being said, sometimes, like, if I start heading that way, it's hard for me to decide what freeway to pick or which way to go, because you could be pulled in any direction once you start driving there. So it could waste, there's been times where for me it was a waste of driving a mile or two in one direction and then end up going in another direction. So I like to be either in the zone, sitting, waiting, or I start off, I'm in my driveway, you feel me? I start heading over there towards the zone, which I'm not far. I mean, I could drive 5 minutes, not even, and I'm in the zone. So, like, they'll see you sitting there, and they'll send you a little notice and say, hey, we notice you're not in the zone. At that point, if you see that message, start heading towards your zone. If you see that message. I mean, if you can just be in your zone when your hours begin, then that's perfect. But if you like me, and I drive a little bit to get to the zone that I prefer to shop in, because it's worth it to me. So I might drive about 15 to 20 minutes in that direction. So look at that. I'm in my driveway. I'm not even in the zone. I'm not even in the zone. Already. Got an order. 33 items. About to go shop. Hey, it's all about this holiday hustle. I hear a lot of people saying that with Instacart, with the new pay rate, they're not making the money. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. What they've done is now they're showing you when the bonus times are. So there are certain times during the day. I can show you on the schedule at certain times on the day. Hold on. Let me accept this order first. Let me show you on the schedule how at certain times in the day that's worth more money. You see these right here. Plus $3, plus $2. So between 8 and 9, it's plus $2. Between 11 and 12, it's plus $3. So if I wanted to, I could have just picked up the 2 hours that's around the bonuses. If you notice, I got the hours that include those bonuses. That means you'll get $3 per order extra on top of whatever you already get during those times. Now, I ain't understanding. Please leave it in the comments below and tell me how you not getting more money now that Instacart has changed up the pay rate. And don't forget, I work for tips. That's what I work for. So I'm going to get this money anyway off these apps, the tips. I'm not saying like I just be trying to get tips. I'm saying like I work. In my mind, I'm thinking, okay, I like to make a certain amount of money in tips per week. And if I can do that, to me, that makes up for all the bitching and moaning and complaining about anything else somebody can complain about. Real talk. So yeah, we finna go over here and get this money, y'all. Told you what it was today. Holiday hustle. Today is December 6th. And we on our holiday hustle. Yeah, and we doing it live. It's your boy Road 100. And listen, I've been talking to a lot of people about the content on this channel. I've been asking y'all what y'all wanted me to do. I've been getting a lot of feedback. I appreciate the feedback. Everybody who came over and followed me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, come follow me on Instagram. Your boy Road 100 at Instagram. And follow me. And I'll follow you back. You know what I mean? I'm not funny like that. If you don't know, you about to find out. This is where hustlers unite through the Road 100 experience. I try to leave, you know, a little inspiration and motivation for the grind gang. Because it's a lot more grind gang. We just trying to get all the grind gang over here to YouTube. No disrespect, it's like having church though. Getting all the grind gang in one place at one time. Sharing our ideas. So when we disperse, when we leave each other, everyone has a similar inspiration and also different inspirations. And what I mean by that is, if I take in some information with 5 other people, there will be a similarity or two of things that we agree upon that we learned. However, because our minds think differently, there will be some things that I probably noticed that everybody else didn't. There may be some things that 1 or 2 other people noticed that I didn't or everybody else didn't. So the point I'm trying to make is when we come together and we talk about how we getting money, how we plan in our business strategies, and how we plan to prepare for our futures, all of the different content that I bring to the channel and all of the comments and all of the responses and the feedback that I get from you is how we're going to achieve those goals together. You understand? We doing this as a unit. That's why it's the grind gang. This is all of us. You feel me? I can grind by myself. I've been doing it all my life, but I see this as an opportunity to help maybe some other people see some things in a different light. And if nothing else, just to entertain some of y'all, if that's what it is, if you prefer to just be entertained by what I'm doing versus using what I'm saying and taking advantage of it. Either way, I appreciate you. Grind gang. It's your boy Road 100, and you already know I do it so you don't have to. And remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100.